Hello guys, right now we are on the Honuapilani Highway. We are actually going to Olowalu, Hawaii. I want to see this Olowalu General Store because it's famous. So okay, we are now here and I see a telephone booth. They still have telephone booths here guys. See? And of course, we know that Olowalu is a community on the west side of the island of Maui in the state of Hawaii. It is located about 4 miles or 6 kilometers south of Lahaina on the Honuapilani Highway, which we passed over earlier. Okay. Before we go check the general store, I'm a bit hungry now, so let's go to Leoda's. This is actually a famous restaurant right just beside the store. We haven't had our breakfast yet, so let's just have a brunch here. Okay, so we see a lot of customers, foreign customers, and local products here. Let's see what we have to try. All right. For our brunch, I decided to get my coffee and pancake. Of course, this is so yummy guys. It's a whole different pancake, and this one is a cheese steak. It's so meaty and tasty. That was a blast guys. It's so filling. I'm so full now. So what's next? We are going now to check out the farmers market. So this is the famous Olowalu General Store. Later on, we will go inside, but let's check the farmers market first. We are now heading to the farmers market, and you see there's a juice stand that is also famous here. They serve fresh fruit juices from the farm and freshly picked fruit from their farm. Let's see, and let's get a check. And going further, they have lots of varieties to choose, different products made by their local farmers. Let's go. So these are made by the local farmers. These are all local products, agricultural products, and you can buy them here at the local market place. So these ones are locally made chocolate bars from Kona Island. Of course, these are the famous macadamia nuts chocolate bars. They are so famous in the Philippines as pasalubong, guys. Can you relate? Alright, comment down below. So we've got to have some mango ginger. I haven't tried this, so let's taste. All of these are made from Hawaii. Kona coffee, milk chocolate with macadamia coated with mac and chocolate. Lots of macadamia nuts, macadamia bars, chocolates, and boxes of chocolates here. These are coconut syrups, and here are different jams, macadamia jams. All right, and we have popcorns, macadamia popcorns, all macadamia products, guys. You see, garlic chips, and a lot more. All pasalubong, guys. Pasalubong item. So we have a sale here, so I know now, guys. My aunts probably have come here and bought their pasalubongs here at a very low price. So these are my favorite hurricane popcorns. So delicious. They have all Hawaiian spices for your kitchen. So there are different kinds of spices that they sell here, guys. Oh, so spotted Mauna Loa roasted macadamia smoky barbecue flavor. I haven't tried that one. Let's get one. I got one. Chocolate covered Swedish fish. It's so intriguing. What is this? I wonder how it tastes. I believe these are different kind of spices. I only can read Kona coffee mix. So these are pineapple, I don't know, adobo loco. Is this somewhat Filipino inspired? And this one, brownie crisps. Okay, so so this one is also spices. 2 for $20. Okay, that's so cheap already. So many products to choose from. Persimmon jam. All right. So outside the store is a pizza food truck. If you want to eat some pizzas, okay, so they have one.
Bye! See you on my next vlog.
August 9 came and wildfire has caught Lahaina and Olowalu. More than 14,000 customers on the island were without power late Tuesday as crew worked to clear drowned power lines. And this is the part where Olowalu General Store caught fire. Good thing I was still able to get a good shot as my background there, guys. So this is bye-bye. See you again on my next vlog. Thank you so much for joining me again. This has been your Pinay Discover CA. God bless.